Boo. Okay, so it's me. I have to be quick about this because I'm home for lunch and from school. And I don't know exactly what to eat. So I'm just kind of like pigging out on stuff right now. I'm not a midget. I'm on my yogurt tubes are very good. Dang it! Aww. That's a fail. So, I'm home for lunch. It's almost 12 o'clock. Actually, it's 11:48. Oh no, it's 11:50. Hit my jaw off the counter. Ow. I'm in so much pain. Okay. My friend ripped off my toenail on my left foot. My two small toes on my right foot are sprained. And now my jaw hurts. Not cool. I paused my great mirrors. Okay. So, my ticket to get home is my iPod. Get back to school, and my headphones. Just listen to the music and walk to the beat. So it's most likely a fast beat. You lucky son of a beehive. Yes, I actually just said son of a beehive. Fine. You get to sleep. You sleep the day away while I'm stuck in school. It's not fair. It really is not fair. I don't think it's fair at all. Yay! So, I actually do not know what I'm going to cook. What I'm going to make. Something won't bring down the house. It sounds like a good idea. That's pie and milk. And, ooh, look, veggies. Vegetables! Celery. Ew, hot pepper. I don't like hot peppers. Soy sauce, barbecue sauce, crust. Oh! Aww, takes too long. Maybe there's something in the cupboards. Well, I'm gonna go. There should be a new video on my main channel coming up very soon. I'll be making a collaboration video with, she has a very complicated YouTube name, but, you'll be hearing about it very soon. Right now, I have to go. Because the time, it's a ticking. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm sorry, late, but, because I've been just so busy this last month. Happy 2011. What's a New Year's resolution? Did you make it? Did you do it yet? Did you break it yet? I don't know. Alright, I will see you guys later. Vampire smiley face! It's gonna eat you. Rawr.